everyone! Today we are going over a confusing English grammar concept called phrasal verbs. You may not have heard of them, but you use them every day. A phrasal verb has two parts, a verb and a word that looks like it might be a preposition or an adverb, but it's neither. The second part of a phrasal verb is a special type of word called a particle. In grammar, a particle is a word that has to be connected to another word in order for it to have any meaning at all. Challenging stuff, so let's look at some examples to make things clearer. In the sentence, the director shuts the door. We can see that the word shut means the same as the word close. But when we say, Molly shuts down the machine, we can now see that the word shut means something very different when paired with the word down. The phrasal verb shut down means turn off. Is everyone following along? Let's look at another example. In the sentence, pass the ball, we know that the verb pass means send or give. But when we say, I will pass out from the horrible smell, we can see that adding the word out changes the meaning of the verb completely. Now, pass out means to lose consciousness. Here are some common phrasal verbs. End up, drop in, back down, and get around. Can you differentiate the meanings from the meanings of the verbs used alone? Phrasal verbs are tricky if you think about them, but you can understand them if you don't give up. Goodbye, everyone.